In this video, we're going to talk about one of the main things that hinder you from success, that hinder you from progress, from hindering you and stopping you from causing things to happen. And that is wasted time. Your success is tied to your time. But guess what? Also, failure is tied to your time and how you use your time. See, I never met a homeless person with a watch. And I never met a successful person who couldn't stop looking at his. Walk with me. Listen, I'm Billy Miller, the motivational minister, and they call me the motivational minister because one of the things I do is I help Christians who want to improve their life by by teaching them life skills from the Bible. And listen, in this video, we're going to talk about the value of time because wasting time hinders your success. And too many of us have been wasting time and they're not getting results. And now they're in a storm. Now they're in trouble. Now they're having all types of afflictions and they're ready to give up and they're ready to quit and they're ready to throw in the towel. Listen, you can't quit now. I created this channel to help people to improve their faith. Improve their faith by no matter what circumstance they're going to. Listen, you can't quit. And just to encourage you even more, I have this book I want to give to you called You Can't Quit Now. I want to send you the PDF file. If you would like this, I'm going to send it to you for free. Just click the link in the description of this video, or I'll pin it in the comment section, and you can get this book absolutely free. It's just my way of helping you even further to go to the next level, helping you even further not to quit, helping you even further to value your time. Listen, you're going to have to make each day count. As a matter of fact, let me show you this verse right here. I love this verse. And listen, it's not going to take me that long to show you this principle either. Uh, listen to this verse, Psalms chapter 90, verse 12. This is the Easy English Bible. It says, teach us to count carefully the days of our short lives. Then we will be wise in how we live. Listen, he says, count carefully the days of our short lives. Listen, all of us have short lives. I don't care if you live to be 120. Listen, you're running out of time. And because you have a short life, you're going to have to make each day count. Can you make each day count? That is the question. That's what you should be doing. That's what it should be at. Make each day count. Look at the last verse of this. It says, then you will be wise in how we live. See, the only reason that you're wasting time, the only reason that you're wasting days is because you're not counting them. And the way you need to count your days is by making each day count. Realize, hey, I'm not here that long. I need to make each day count. And what happens is people go to work, and I know you're a good worker, and you give them all of your effort, you give them all of your energy. But as soon as you get off, you waste the day. Listen, you need to, a lot of you, listen, you have purpose, you have vision, you have goals, you have dreams, and you need to do your vision and your dream part time while you're working your job full time. And you do it to the point to where eventually you'll be able to do your dream full time and you can fire your job. But you're going to have to make those off days count. Those are the days you want to put it in. It's just like a football team. You know, they may do running plays. They only can get so far, but every now and then they got to do a shotgun pass where they get further yards down the line in one play. That's what your off day is. Your off day is, how can I accomplish more of my dream? How can I create more? How can I do more that's pertaining to my purpose and vision? I can do it on my off day because now I have more time, and you're making your time count. I do something every year, sometimes more than once a year. I call it my vision vacation. My vision vacation. And that's where I take, just like you would take a vacation to go on a cruise, or take a vacation to go out of town, or maybe you have a staycation where you just take a vacation, you just stay at home. I have what I call a vision vacation, where I take a vacation and I use that time to work solely on my vision and my dreams. It's going to help me get further ahead versus the little bit of time that I put in when I get off my job. And I've had pushback before about my vision vacations, and because people think that I'm saying, they're hearing what I'm not saying. I'm not saying that you shouldn't have time where you uh, uh, relax or go on vacation, go to Disneyland, or do absolutely nothing. Listen, every now and then I have one of those days that I call why I do absolutely nothing. I'm talking about nothing. And listen, even those days, I'm still making it count, because why? Because you need a time where you unplug. You need a time where you detach. You need a time that's your me time, where you can just relax and you're not thinking about content. You're not thinking about anything. You're not thinking about your job, and your mind is just relaxing. Maybe getting your hair done, maybe getting your nails done, maybe getting a massage. Hey, I'm not opposed to any of that, and you should have those vacations like that. But every year uh, I take a 2 week vacation. I do it twice a year. I take a minimum of 2 weeks vacation, and one of those weeks I dedicate to my vision. I dedicate to writing. Almost, listen, my goal is to be a full-time author, and I use that week to experience what it would be like to be a full-time author, full-time content creator, full-time speaker. Are you following what I'm saying? And then that next week, I'll use where I may go out of town, or I may have just don't do anything. I just relax and just detach, and just enjoy myself. You're going to have to make each day count. Listen, regardless of you take doing the vacation, your traditional vacation, regardless of where you're, uh, learning, whatever it is that you're doing, the main thing is make each day count. Stop wasting the days. Listen, just go get you a planner. I get one of these every year. I get them from Sam's. It's like less than $12. I don't care where you get it from, on Amazon or whatever. And I want you to look at each day, and I want you to make each day count, because you're going to have to value time. And if you don't value time, you're going to struggle. If you're not going to value time, you're going to allow other people to waste your time. If you don't value time, you are going to waste your time. Listen, let's not waste time any further. Time is one of your greatest assets. I like to say it like this. Listen, your greatest asset, there's two things. Your greatest asset is your time and your mind. And I like to say it like this: use your time to develop your mind. Oh man, I can go on and on, but listen, this is what I want you to do. Here's your homework. Here's your assignment. If you're serious about valuing your time, if you're watching me and you're saying, Billy, I want to take my time back. I want to get serious about managing my time and getting my time in order, because life just seems to be getting away from me. If that's you, listen, I have this series I call the Time Value Series. That's worth watching. There's 9 videos. Listen, the videos are so powerful that if you only just watched 4 of them, if you only just watched just the first 4, it would make a tremendous change in your life. It will make a tremendous change in your business. It'll make a tremendous change in your health. It'll make a tremendous change in whatever area you plug this information into. 9 videos. Listen, just watch the first 4. And if you can't watch the first 4, at least just watch the first 1. Listen, I'm going to put that playlist right here, and you just click that playlist, and I'll see you in that playlist. Listen, I love y'all. Y'all take care. Y'all stay up. Y'all stay blessed. And always remember that the word is your life.